How to return lambda expressions from functions in Kotlin example. Do lambda functions confuse you in Kotlin? Learn the simple trick to easily return lambda expressions from your Kotlin functions so you can write cleaner, more readable code that will impress your colleagues. After watching, lambda returns will be a breeze even for Kotlin beginners. How to return lambda expressions from functions in Kotlin example. Lambda expressions can also be returned from functions, allowing you to dynamically generate functions based on certain conditions or calculations. Here's an example. In this example, we have a function called createMultiplier that takes an integer factor as a parameter and returns a lambda expression, int arrow int. This lambda expression multiplies the input number by the factor. In the main function, we create a multiplier by calling createMultiplier, then in brackets 3, and then use this multiplier to multiply the number 5. The result printed as the result is 15. That being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.